Okay, good day, everybody. This is a new project. It's going to be in a DH11 to measure the temperature and the humidity. And I'm going to plug it in, and then we'll be able to see the result in the OLED screen. Okay, so I've already put the wire. Positive, the ground, and the voltage. The pin, we'll put it on number 5. Okay. At D5, it's the pin for the DH. Let's unplug it first, just in case we burn something. Okay, now we got, okay, on the SDA goes to pin 2. And SCL, if I'm correct, goes to pin 1. Right, let's plug it in. And now we're going to run the edge with an OLED. Let's upload the sketch and see what happened. Okay. Yes, make the screen bigger. There is a Adafruit, and there is a temperature. This is a small version, right? But if you want to change it to bigger one, then here instead of 1, we're gonna put 2. Let's have a look again. Okay, for some reason I didn't take it. Still working. God, then I shouldn't move it too much when it's uploading. There we are. And now it's a little bit bigger, although I prefer the smaller one, but it depends, you know. It depends on what you prefer. In any case, thank you very much, and have a great day.